Good day, ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently Tuesday, June 10th, 2025. We hope everyone had a good weekend. Again, today we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from the west coast of Florida, along Alabama and Louisiana towards the east coast of Texas, looking at the ocean conditions from this past weekend. Overall, we continue to observe the loop current in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, shown here, well offshore of Tampa Bay and the Fort Myers area, off of the Thousand Fathom Ledge and well south of the DeSoto Canyon. Several counterclockwise rotating frontal boundary eddy formations continue to rotate around the perimeter of the loop current as well, shown here. This has generated a counterclockwise rotating eddy formation offshore of the ledges southwest of Tampa Bay and Fort Myers as well, to the west of the Florida Straits, shown here, before the loop current becomes the Gulf Stream. Switching over to our ocean color imagery again, you can see that darker blue loop current water offshore of the ledges west of Tampa Bay, with the smaller counterclockwise rotating frontal boundary eddies, including the larger one southwest of Fort Myers. This counterclockwise rotation has pulled a little bit of warmer, bluer water inshore of the ledges, just south of the Howell Hook Ridge, and moving back offshore west of the Marquesas. Occasionally, some filaments of this warmer, bluer water move northwards inshore off of Tampa Bay as well. Further north, we continue to observe large clockwise rotating eddy formation just offshore the DeSoto Canyon, shown here, pulling warmer, greener water to the east, southeast, just near the the steps and the nipple off of the Mobile Bay area. Switching over, you can see that warmer water moving east, southeast across the DeSoto Canyon area. In conjunction with this, quite a bit of warmer, greener water got pushed offshore of the 100 Fathom ledges near the Mississippi River Delta area, shown here, over the weekend, resulting in a lot of greener water offshore just east of the Mississippi Canyon area, shown there. Additionally, a series of smaller eddy formations west of Tampa Bay have occasionally pulled in filaments of cooler, bluer water northwest, just off of the Florida Middle Grounds, moving inshore off of the Florida Panhandle. Looking further west, we continue to observe the remnants, the clockwise rotating remnants of the former loop current eddy formation, shown here. Again, you can see that eddy formation shown here in our SST imagery. This clockwise rotation, as well as another large clockwise rotating eddy formation off the Aransas Bank area, shown here, continues to push or to pool a filament of warmer, greener water offshore of the East Breaks and the Flower Gardens area, moving southeast, just off of the Green Canyon area, shown here. This has also resulted in a clockwise rotating eddy near the Green Canyon, pulling a little bit of that bluer water back inshore a little bit over 1,000 fathom depths, thereabouts. Looking further west, several smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy formations continue to move northeast along the 100 Fathom Ledge, offshore of Aransas Pass, along the northwestern boundary of the larger clockwise rotating eddy formation, shown there. These eddy formations continue to pull filaments of bluer water inshore about 30 to 50 fathoms near the Aransas Bank to Baker Rocks area as they move to the northeast. Looking further south, we have also observed a chain of smaller eddy formations gearing up to move northwards from the east coast of Mexico as well. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321-723-5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Our summer office hours are now Monday through Friday from 9 until 7 and on Saturdays from 9 to 4. Have a good week.